Samsara watches from more than one angle and listens to more than one stream.
We also have devices that plug into the vehicle and get a live feed of all the data that the vehicle is generating as you drive. Things like, your fuel level, for example, tire pressure, seatbelt status.
It also helps shape the trip before trouble arrives.
You're not just looking at traffic or weather. There are many other considerations like weight limits on the roads, bridge heights. Can the truck go underneath that bridge? And truck legal routes. All of those are built into the platform.
For Pike crews, that matters most when the weather is not a forecast, but a destination.
When we have ice storms, when we've got hurricanes, we usually are heading in the directions of those storms, or we're already there when the storms hit. And sometimes, rather than going to a local news app to find out what the weather looks like, we can just go to our live cameras.
Pike says the change showed up in the numbers.
Our seatbelt usage has increased by 50%. Mobile phone usage has decreased by 75%. Crashes have decreased by close to 25%. That's just the tip of the iceberg.